Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today well actually I'm going to do a couple things in this video. The first thing I want to do is, I actually just got this in the mail. This is the bolt carrier group and the charging handle that I ordered from Palmetto State. That is going to be the completion to, hold on, let me close this guy up. So that's going to make this rifle complete, because you know, as you can see, it just doesn't have a charging handle or a bolt in there. So I've been swapping it out. The one that I do have, I've been swapping it out between these two. So today in this video, I'm going to clean this, and then I'm going to just compare the two from Palmetto State. So let's get into the cleaning part, and then I'll open up my package and see what it looks like. Well, spoiler, I've already opened it up and checked it out, but I'll show you guys and we'll compare them. So let's see what we got. I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy, but as you can see, this thing's been getting a little bit of use, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. Get all this stuff out of the way. I'm gonna start by going over it with a toothbrush. I usually just try to get a cheap pack of toothbrushes from the dollar store or Walmart or somewhere real cheap that I can use for a little bit, and then just toss them out. Get all the gunk out of here. So yeah, this rifle that I built from Palmetto State Armory, like I said, this marks, you know, the actual completion of it, but it was a sub $500 rifle, or right around that $500 price point. So a budget rifle, that, you know, no doubt, budget rifle. And the other rifle that I have that this bolt goes to is a Stag Arms rifle, which was, what did I pay for it? Maybe like $1,100 in that price range, a little bit above $1,000. So that's why I want to see the quality difference. This bolt from Palmetto State, it's a Toolcraft logo Carpenter 158 nitrate full auto bolt carrier. So I just want to see like the difference between the quality, if there is any. See what you get for your money. Let's see, I'm not gonna go too crazy on this, but I want it to look decent when I hold them up next to each other. All right, this is strictly cosmetic, just so you guys have something pretty to look at. Okay, so that's that, and the charging handle too. Here, let me spray that down. Give it a good brushing. All right. All right, so we got these guys cleaned off. And again, these came out of my Stag Arms. These came out of my Stag Arms AR-15. And then we have this guy. Probably backwards, I don't even know if you can see it. All right, side by side. Let's see, let's look at them side by side and see if there's much of a difference. All right, guys, here we have them side by side. This bolt came out of a Stag Arms AR-15 that I've had for probably about 2 years or so. And this guy is, I think it was about 85 bucks with free shipping. About $80 or $90 free shipping from Palmetto State Armory. Looks about the same. Let's see. Are there any noticeable differences? Let's see. I don't know, guys. I'll have to try it out and see how it performs. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. Here, while we're here, let's check out the charging handle. I mean, it's just the mil-spec charging handle, so don't really expect to see a whole lot, but looks pretty good. And then here I have one that came off my Stag to compare it to. A little beefier, you can see it's a little bulkier right around here, but yeah, that's a charging handle. All right, guys, give me a second. I'll throw it into the I'll throw the bolts into the guns and let you see what they look like with them in there. Before I do that, though, I will insert a couple videos of me shooting this guy the other day. Just keep in mind that it was with the old bolt carrier and charging handle. So, yeah, but I'll throw them in there just for the heck of it. All right, so the other day I posted a video about my very first AR-15 build, and this is the rifle. It is an Anderson lower with everything else I got off of Palmetto State Armory. So I have yet to fire it. So let's get into it. Let's see if it works. So I'm shooting what is it, X-Tac or whatever, 5.56. So let's see if it shoots. So. Oh, I hit my target first try too. All right. All right, I guess it works. So, for a sub $500 rifle, I like it. I will be buying more from Palmetto State.